Bella, where you at?
Mommy!
Hi, Teddy. Hi, Teddy.
Mommy!
Yeah.
Mommy!
Yes, come here.
Yes!
There you are. I see you now. Now it's working. Oh, what you doing? Are you resting?
Okay.
Okay. Hi, Cinnamon. Hi, Cinnamon and Teddy. Are you resting? Can you dance for me? You're stuck. Well, come out this way. Come to Mommy. There you go. Can you dance? Whoa! It's okay. It's okay. They're playing. They're playing. See Cinnamon's tail's wagging? See? Yeah, she's okay. She's just playing. Can you dance for me, Bella? Good girl. Can you march for Mommy?
Whoa!
They're playing, honey. It's okay. Who's home? Who's home? Who's here?
Gary.
Oh, not Key and Carrie. Who else is it?
Gary.
No, it's Daddy.
Daddy.
Daddy's home. She thinks that Carrie is here because Carrie was staying with us for a couple weeks, but she moved into her apartment, so she misses her. Whoa. Are you dizzy? You dancing? I like your pretty pink dress, Isabella. Hi. Does it? I don't smell it now. It's been...
Hold on, I gotta take my shoes off. Hi. Hi.
She's been dancing
Oh, cool.
for like a half hour straight.
Isabella?
Playing, yes. They're playing. They're playing. It's okay. It's okay, baby. I'm taking a video of her.
Oh, good. Dancing pretty,
See the
Isabella?
doggies? They're playing.
Pretty?
Yeah, she's dancing pretty. Now she's watching the doggies on the screen. See, they're playing. Yeah. Oh, and there's Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Hi. Hi.
Is that crazy that you get to see him on the screen like that? Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Love you, Daddy.
Love you. Hi. Yeah, yeah. Oh, my kids.
Nice butt shot, honey.
Where you guys want to go eat?
What do you want to go eat, Bella?
How are you?
Gonna go somewhere and eat?
Hey. Where's my kiss?
Where'd the doggies go? Everybody left us.
How are you feeling?
What are you gonna say? Say bye. Bella, wave at the camera. Say bye. Bella. Isabella. Bella. Okay, can you say bye to the camera? Bella, say bye to mommy.
Bye.
Say I love you. Oops. Say I love you. I love you.
Have you, Kira?
I love you, kid.